Hello guys, welcome back our Biz for Tech Academy YouTube channel. Today we discuss in the Windows shortcut keys in your computer. Let's go.
See system shortcuts. First one is how to open setting. Second one is open project screen. Third road one is open Sarch folder. Fourth one is open Rin Dialog Box.
Number 1.
Press Windows key plus I to open setting.
Number 2.
Press Windows key plus P open project screen.
Number 3.
Press Windows key plus S open Sarch folder.
Number 4.
Press Windows key plus R open the Rin Dialog Box.
Keep trying until you remember all the shortcuts. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe our Biz4Tech YouTube channel and press the bell button for more useful videos like this. Let's see you with the next video.